Hi mga kabeshi, ako magaganda na katulad ko. Char! So, andito pala tayo sa bilihan ng mga furniture, home decor, ganon. Tapos may mga iba silang appliances. Pero ref lang po yung nakita namin dito. So, they offer a wide selection of quality, gently used furniture as well as high-end name brand factory return items at very affordable prices mga kabeshi. So, let's go mga kabeshi at itutur ko kayo dito. Sana mag-enjoy kayo. Let's go!
Oh, I got you.
It's a little hard to...
Try to sit down. This is... So how much this one if it's less 20%? What is this Bombay?
They call it Bombay.
Bombay. Bombay sa ano to eh? Pag-uutang ka ng pera. Oh. Oh, 31. It's $21. Tapos ito magkano kaya to? $26. $583. Tapos ito naman. $397. This is only $5. Mura na to. Magkano kaya? $132. Ito. $132. Hindi ko alam kung magkano yan. $318. Ito yung lampshade. $106. Tapos ito. Ang ganda nito. $31.80. Ito naman. $15. Ang cute. How about this? This is $15. It's printing. $53. Ganda. $53. Okay. $190. Gusto ko to. Ganda. How much this one? Oh, this is $106. Tapos ito chair. $26. How about this? $26.50. Ito. $106. Ito $169. 20%. Maganda to. Tray. $29. $26. Yung salamin. $265.
Hey, so you want me to write
60. Oh, this is $50. Wow.
On here it says
Ito naman 106. 21. Ito 68. Ito Kano naman to? So this is 212. Siguro magkasama na to. 212 kasi walang price to eh. Walang price nga. Ito. Sa painting to. Wood. $31. Tapos yan naman. $20. Yan. Ang ganda nito oh. $31. $84 to. Ito naman. $26.50. So ito $26.50. 5 pieces na. Bedroom set na siya. So ayan yung bed. Tapos ayan. Kasama na yan lahat. Okay. This is 132. Ito, maganda rin to. Patungan ng TV. How much this one? No price. Saan yung price niya? Okay. $4.99. $15. Ang cute nito. $15. Ito. This is $90. Tapos yung upuan. Ang cute ng upuan, no? $53. How much? Isa na yung baby ko. Ito naman, $26.
Oh, I just.
Yan, itsura niya. $53. Ganda. Ang ganda nito. $42 lang. Ano to? $70 lang. $21 yan. Ganda nito. $53. Ito ang cute nito. $13 lang yan. Yan siya. Ang ganda nito. $42. Ito $5. $16 lang siya. Tapos ito naman $53. Ito, ang ganda nito. Oh. Sold na siya. Yan. Ito marami na siyang gas-gas. $185. Mayroon silang mesa na ganyan. Oh. Ang ganito. Ganito. $84. Ito, maganda to. Kaya lang mabigat to. Magkano kaya yan? Ang ganda oh. $79. $636. How does it feel?
It's good. It's good.
$583. So, ang daming bilihin dito mga beshi. As in, marami kang pagpipilian. Ito oh, medyo bago pa to. Grease silver. 300 lang. Oh, maganda. Ganda. How about this? How much this one? Oh, it's 1,000 also. New leather. Oh, this is good also. How about this? 575, just one piece.
Yeah. It's a good one though.
575.
Hmm?
How about this one? 899. So this one is, oops. How much this one? 1, 2. This one, how much this one? 25. Look at that. Tiger. It's 450. 450 one piece. So, ang dami yan. Ito naman. This is sold. Lay away. How much that one? $6.95. Wait. Ang ganda rin. So this one. No price. Ito medyo bago pa. Wala masyadong gas-gas. $3.75. Dito $21 lang. Oh, ang cute nito. Chess. $26. Ito lampshade. $159. Ayan. Look at this one. It's big. It's 100. This is 31. Ang dami pa dito mga kabeshi. Magsasawa ka. This one is, how much this one? $31. Yung salamin. Tapos ito, hindi ko alam kung magkano yan. Ito, gusto ko to. This is only $15. 132. Cast iron, $21. Where is it? TV stand 20%, 97. This 37. Oh, this is $31. 3 pieces. This is $10. This is for candle. $21. $5. $47. Ano to? 28. Canister.
I'm just in the store looking around in a furniture store, consignment store. I'm just doing something just to get out of the house.
$31. So, ayan.
know, everything was like.
Marami kayong pwedeng bilhin dito mga kabeshi. Mga second hand lang sila. And lawak. Oh, this is only 31. Mura yung mga salamin dito. Ito, yung cabinet na to is 265. Wow, this is so cute. I like this one. This is only 21. Baby, look at this. Oops, sorry. Okay, 395 to mga kabeshi. Oh. Yan siya. So, ayan, magsasawa kayo. Pagod na yung asawa ko doon. Umupo na siya. Cute. This is cute also. So, ayan. How about this one? Little boy. This is $50. Cute. Ito. This is outdoor table. May dalawang kasamang stools na, tapos 212. 42. Ito ay ano, $26 na lang to. $370. Ito, mura lang to. $31. For comfortable siyang upuan. Super lambot niya. Oh, super comfy. Lambot niya. Pero mas maganda sana kung mayroon siyang parang ano, yung hindi meron. Oh, mayroon pala. Oh, see? Yeah. So, ang cute nito kasi meron siyang ganyan. Super relaxation. Diba? Tapos, ayan. Ayan siya. Ang carpet nito. Gano to? 212. Ganda. Ayan siya. So, ito naman. Hindi ko alam kung bakit masyadong mahal nito. Ang liit niya. Pero, parang antibay. Wow, this is authentic. It's $185. Ito naman ay 21.20. It's so nice. Wow. Look at this. 10.60. What is this? Bowls. Ang cute. Yan ang sabaw. Ganda, diba? So, ayan mga kabeshi, kung gusto niyo pumunta rin dito, sa Huntsville lang ito sa may Alabama State. And kapag gusto niyo bumili dito is i-deliver na lang nila, pero hindi siya free delivery. So, yun. I hope nag-enjoy kayo. Thanks for watching. So, dyan muna kayo at kakain muna kami. Bye!
Hey y'all, welcome in. Hello. 56, right this way.
Oh my goodness. This is my area.